Heyo! Welcome to Storycraft Studio. Today we are unboxing. This is a swap doll I should have gotten back in February. I believe this took part in a pastel swap, and my doll got sent out. Unfortunately, due to lots of reasons, I did not receive a doll. And my friend Dollicious, who was the host, felt super bad about that, but finally I have a doll that is here, and I'm super excited. Little thing before I even open it. Look at this crumple. It says fragile. Isn't that just so typical? But anyway, let's get unboxing. I'm so excited! Okay. Come on. Come on. X-Acto knife versus duct tape. I don't know if anybody's winning. I'm not. Come on. Oh. I remember being a lot better at this last time I unboxed a doll. Oh, I'm so excited. Yay! Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna pause this to read, because you don't need to stare at a box while I read this. Okay, so this doll came from the Bump. I don't know how I could say that wrong, but they are a doll stand artist, and this is our first doll. This is our first fully finished doll, so I'm really honored. Thank you, sweetie. Okay. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So excited. Okay. Woo! Oh, cool! Magnets and tray. This is like a wearable bracelet. Awesome. I love bracelets. I love beaded bracelets and stretchy. Yes, that will be worn, and that's a cool little stand. Super excited, super nervous. Okay, here we go. Here she is. Here she is. Okay. She wraps her the way I wrap dolls, because she has extra foam. I'm a squealer. I'm sorry if you don't like squealing, but I'm a squealer. Being very delicate as my nerves go crazy. There's not a lot of textiles, she says, which makes me super interested in what she's done. So I have no idea. Okay. Ooh. She got some fun things going on. Gonna save for the full reveal. Come on. Ooh! Look at that! I have no idea what's going on, but I like it. It is shiny. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, she's so pretty! It's the Make Monster, it's the Jelly Monster. It's so... Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Oh my gosh, and these legs are so cool. Oh my gosh, you had to sculpt these, didn't you? Oh my gosh, they're so cool. Oh my goodness, I cannot handle. She's so pretty. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, okay. She apparently goes on this stand, which has awesome extra strength barrier magnets that will put far away from each other because they crack things. She's got this cool little portal. And oh my gosh, she doesn't want to stand. Oh no. But that's okay. That is okay because she is so beautiful and she's got this awesome portal. And I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, she's beautiful. Oh, thank you, Bump. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, she's beautiful. She's gonna go place of honor on my shelves. First thing people see are gonna be this gorgeous doll. Oh my god. So I could gush for another hour, but that's it. So thank you guys for watching me unbox my beautiful swap doll. Oh my gosh, she's beautiful. Mahalo, like, subscribe, I guess. I don't know. Bye.